Hello everyone, welcome back to Dr. Shorov's classes. If you are preparing for the ISEE, the Independent School Entrance Examination, then you already know this test is more than just another examination. It's a gateway to competitive private schools, scholarships and the advanced academic opportunities. And because the stakes are high, preparation needs to be strategic, disciplined and smart. So let's break it down step by step. First, understanding the structure. The ISEE has 5 major sections: verbal reasoning, quantitative reasoning, reading comprehension, mathematics achievement, and an essay. Each section tests a different skill, not just knowledge but thinking ability. And that means your preparation must build the skills, speed, and confidence. Now, let's go section by section. Number 2 is the verbal reasoning. This tests the vocabulary, synonyms and the sentence completions. To improve here, build the vocabulary daily, use the flashcards, read the articles, stories and newspapers and learn words in context, not just spelling. Now, the quantitative reasoning. This is not just mathematics, it's logical thinking with the math concept. Accept the word problems, patterns, algebra, reasoning and estimation. Practice step-by-step thinking and avoid solving blindly. Now comes the reading comprehension. Here you will read the passages and answer the question based on the main idea, inference, structure, tone and evidence. The key is active reading. Don't just read, interact with the text, underline the key ideas, summarize and question the author's message. Now the mathematics achievement. This section tests the computation and formulas. So revise arithmetic, geometry, algebra, basics and the problem solving rules. Accuracy is important here, so avoid the careless mistakes. And lastly, the essay. This part is not scored but it is sent to the schools. So write clearly, logically and confidently. Plan your response, divide it into the paragraphs, give the examples and maintain a natural flow. Now let's talk about the preparation strategy. 1. Daily consistency. Number 2 is the timed practice. Number 3 is mock test and review. Number 4 is strengthen your weakness areas. Don't avoid the hard topics, fix them. And number 5 is build the confidence. Confidence comes from clarity and practice, not guesswork. Now, if you are thinking, I want structure, I want guidance, I need someone to help me step by step, then our coaching program is here for you. Don't wait for anything. Join today. Bye-bye.